Welcome back on this Friday morning. So we do have a few inches of snow that we're getting this weekend. It kicks off this evening. It becomes widespread tonight and it continues throughout the weekend. So easily around 3 inches of snow during our overnight hours into tomorrow. Then a couple more inches of snow for Saturday into portions of Sunday. So that's going to make everything all nice and pretty out there. This is what's happening. There's an area of low pressure in southern Alberta, and that's the one that's going to kind of shift southeast into the northern plains, and then it moves into our region this weekend. We get the warm front tonight, and then tomorrow night we get the cold front from that as it moves on through with some more snow. This morning we're starting off kind of quiet, wind flows out of the southwest with some mostly cloudy skies. Here's a look at your hour by hour for today. Most of the day dry except the Q1 hour. There could be a little bit of light snow and drizzle throughout the day, but that snow, the one that will really impact us, kind of comes in later on this evening. So after 7 o'clock in the evening across the west end, we stopped it right here at 9 o'clock this evening. And by that point in time, portions of the central UP will be tapping into some of this snow. As we look towards the overnight hours, it becomes widespread. This is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. We wake up to a nice fresh snow cover out there, and it continues widespread throughout the morning. By the mid-afternoon, we start to see that decrease a little bit more. And we have some light snow across our northern areas continuing tomorrow afternoon and evening. By Sunday morning, it's still a little bit of light snow across the north. The cold front starts to move in, and along that front we'll have a line where we'll have some snow kind of traveling through the region from west to east throughout the day on Sunday. By Sunday evening and Sunday night, most of that snow will be coming to an end, and then winds will be becoming more northwesterly. If you're traveling this morning, hitting the roads, things are looking good. M35 at M553 over in Gwynn looks decent out there. Everything's all nice and quiet. Today you can expect those temperatures to still be a little bit above the normal for this time of year, as many areas will be in the upper 20s. Some spots right around 30 degrees. We'll hover in those 20s for tonight, and then tomorrow we'll have similar ranges of upper 20s to the lower 30s. And then on Sunday it'll be a little bit cooler for the west end as compared to the east. So we'll still have some similar ranges. Now looking ahead to next week, there's a system that moves through the Great Lakes between Tuesday and next Thursday. And right now it looks of most impact to folks in the lower peninsula. However, we get a few rounds of lake effect snow off the northerly wind flow from that system as it passes east of us. The trend is going to be kind of near seasonal, so luckily that means no big warm-ups for us, and whatever snow we get this weekend and next week with those few rounds of lake effect, we will maintain that. Here's the jet stream. There's that system next week on Tuesday as it moves in out of the central plains, tracking just east of us. However, we do have some cooler Canadian air that moves in behind it. So that's some good news for us. This is by the time Thursday rolls around. So looking ahead at your extended forecast, Monday looks fairly decent. A little bit of some spotty snow on Tuesday. Here's that system as it's passing through the Great Lakes. Again, big impact for folks downstate. We have mainly some lake effect snow out of this for next Wednesday. And here's next Thursday.